Your question is, how can birds sleep without falling from their swinging perch? The birds enjoy sitting on swinging twigs. The birds are not only able to sit, but are also able to sleep on swinging branches, ropes, wires, and other similar things like that. Ever wondered why they never fall? It is because they have a body balancing mechanism by which they lift their body weight with balance. The birds have leg bones, joints and powerful legs muscles which work as a lever to lift the weight with balance. Birds' leg muscle frames are enlarged, strong, and their bindings are big and strong enough to grip most of the things they sit. They are also flexible enough to hold and balance the whole body weight on swinging objects and avoid them from falling. The birds also balance their body by automatically performing acrobatic movements on swinging tree branches, ropes, wires, and other similar things. The whole mechanism of leg muscles and claws is known as the automatic perching mechanism.
आज का सवाल है, पक्षियों के दांत नहीं होते तो फिर पक्षी भोजन कैसे चबाते हैं?
Your question is, how do birds do their food when they do not have any teeth?